So today we're going to talk about truck driver insurance requirements. When it comes to any type of automobile requirement or a truck insurance requirement, a lot of the states have their own set of mandates. So I will encourage you to take a look at your state insurance websites first. But there are a lot of things that are mandated by the U.S. Department of Transportation. A couple of the things are that if you're going to have commercial truck insurance, that you have to be a minimum of 23 years old. They also typically require that you cannot have had more than 3 moving violations in the past 3 years. And a lot of them do see that when they take a look at your DMV records, if you've had a DWI or a DUI, a lot of times you'll be uninsurable. So just keep a few of those things in mind to begin with. And then depending upon what you're transporting and the weight you're transporting, you'll have other limits. So for example, if you're transporting more than 10,001 pounds and it's non-hazardous material, usually you're going to have a minimum of $750,000 in coverage. A lot of states are going to actually require you to have $1 million. When it comes to hazardous materials, so chemicals and things of that nature, if you're transporting more than 10,001 pounds, you're going to be required by the U.S. Department of Transportation to have a minimum of $5 million worth of coverage. So keep that in mind, especially if you're like an independent truck driver. If you are looking to try to get your insurance bill down, you want to look at transporting non-hazardous materials versus hazardous materials because you're going to have a lower insurance.